Hello viewers, this is Jubilee Saikia and you're watching My News Any. Heavy rainfall over the past 3 days has triggered a massive rainfall in Meghalaya, completely blocking the National Highway 37. Here we are bringing you the full details. Landslide blocks National Highway 37 in Tamenglong district. Over 200 villages stranded on highway. LPG and oil tankers affected severely. NHIDCL deploys machinery to clear debris. IMD issues red alert for rainfall. Yes viewers, continuous heavy rainfall over the past 3 days has triggered a massive rainfall in Tamenglong district of Manipur, completely blocking National Highway 37 at Nungdalal area between K. Sinam and Nungnang villages. The landslide estimated to span around 30 meters occurred around 7 AM and left more than 200 vehicles stranded on both sides of the highways. This include loaded oil and LPG tankers traveling from Silchar by Jiribam and empty vehicles heading from Imphal towards Assam. Authorities confirmed that the National Highway and Infrastructure Development Corporation Limited has deployed excavators and other heavy machinery to clear the debris and restore traffic flow. However, the scale of blockage continues to hinder progress. The incident follows a red warning issued by the Indian Meteorological Department forecasting extremely heavy rainfall, thunderstorm, lightning and swirling winds in isolated areas of Tamenglong district from the early hours of May 31 through May 30. The IMD has also issued orange and yellow warnings for the neighboring Senapati district, predicting continued heavy rainfall until June 3. Yes viewers, heavy rainfall over the past 3 days have triggered a massive landslide in Manipur's Tamenglong district, completely blocking National Highway 37 at the Nungdalal area. The landslide, which occurred around 7 AM at the Nungdalal area between the K. Sinam and Nungnang villages, has left several villages stranded on both sides of the crucial highway. The landslide, estimated to span about 30 meters, has disrupted traffic and stranded over 200 vehicles, including essential supply carriers like oil and LPG tankers from Silchar and empty vehicles bound from Assam from Imphal. Officials confirmed that the National Highway and Infrastructure Development Corporation Limited has deployed excavators and other heavy machinery to clear the debris and restore traffic flow. However, the scale of the blockage continues to hinder progress. The Indian Meteorological Department issued a red warning. The forecast predicted extremely very heavy rainfall, thunderstorms, lightning and swirling winds for isolated areas for the Tamenglong district from the early hours of May 30 to May 31. The IMD has also issued orange and yellow warnings from the neighboring Senapati district, indicating continued heavy rainfall until June 3. Heavy rain has disrupted normal life in several parts of the state, particularly in the capital city Imphal, where waterlogging was reported from multiple areas. The water levels of key rivers, including the Imphal and Siro rivers, have already risen significantly, prompting concern across the valley. According to IMD's Meteorological Center in Imphal, the border town of More recorded the state's highest rainfall on Thursday with 102 mm, followed by Kamjong with 96 mm, Chandel with 76 mm and Ukhrul with 60.8 mm. The Deputy Commissioner of Senapati District issued a public notice citing a forecast from the National Weather Forecasting Center warning of extremely heavy rainfall, thunderstorms, lightning and strong winds. The notice urged residents to remain alert and avoid all necessary travel and outdoor activities, especially near flood zone areas, rivers and step slopes until conditions improve. Meanwhile, the Chandel District Police issued an advisory causing people against fishing or venturing near the Chapki river banks, where water levels have surged due to continuous downpours. That's all for now. For further updates, keep watching My News Any.